Good morning.
Good morning, Princess.
You're up early.
There are things about the workshop that I need to take care of.
But you were going to the school with me.
Well, I can't postpone this. I promise later.
Okay, as you wish. So want me to make you breakfast?
Don't bother. I just mean, you should just relax. Get some sleep. I can make myself something.
Whatever you want.
I'll see you later.
See you later.
Where are you going, Nağme? It's early.
I need to do something.
Is that so? What is that something? If you need to go out, I'll tell Ali to take you.
There's no need. I'll go by myself. Have a good day.
This girl from Istanbul is up to something. But we will see. Elvan, come over here.
Yes, Sister Safika.
Do you want to be of use? Nağme has just left. You need to follow her. Find out where she went this early. Come on. I'm sure you don't have any money or a phone, right?
No, I don't.
You wait here. I'll be right back.
Now that we've learned all that, I guess you won't have any questions about the difference between when a note is flat or it's sharp. But if you have any questions, you can ask them. Okay, guys, let's take 10 minutes. Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I just heard about the accident. I'm so sorry. Otherwise, I really would love to be at your concert.
Thank you for that.
Would you like to sit down?
Well, yeah, of course.
Hello? Sister Safika? Nağme is with a man now.
What?
They moved out of view. They're meeting privately.
Yes, yes. How immoral. Oh, I knew that this would happen. You tell me where they are. Okay. And you will stay there and report back everything.
Safika, what happened? I'm really curious now.
Oh, that stupid Ejder. Oh, that stupid Ejder.
Listen up, guys. This is the most important place. We'll put all the olive machines here. So that's why the store needs to be so big. Because when the trucks come in... Excuse me.
It has to be enough space.
Hello, Mother?
My son, where are you now?
The workshop.
And where is she?
Isn't she home?
No. Well, I just heard something. I wanted to ask you if it's true or not. I'm wondering what's going on.
What? What's going on, Mom? What are you saying?
Well, when they saw her, she was with a man.
Who saw her? And where?
I'm just telling you they saw her. There's a man with her.
Okay, Mother, calm down. I will see you soon. Uncle Kamal, I need to leave right away.
What's wrong? Was everything okay?
Nothing important. You go ahead, I'll be back.
Do you think we did right by calling Ejder? I hope he doesn't do anything bad now.
Don't be so unstable, Safika. You told us about it. Yet now you are panicking. Just wait. Now let him see what that city girl is made of.
I'll see you next week, same time, okay?
Okay, and thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.
If you're not too tired, can I ask you something, ma'am?
Why don't you quit calling me ma'am? We're working together now.
All right, then. Nağme. There's this work of Schubert's, Opus 103 D940. Do you know it?
Oh, the four-handed Fantasia?
So you're really familiar with it, ma'am. Nağme. Do you really know it well?
I studied it at the conservatory. That was a long time ago, but...
I've been looking all over for a partner to play with me for a long time. And I figured since you're here, shall we give it a try?
I guess, of course. You have the score?
Yes, of course. I will start it off then.
Nağme,
Ejder?
what are you doing here?
I started working here today, but I told you all that.
Come on, we're leaving.
Ejder, please listen to me. I started working here.
I said that we are leaving.
Have you gone crazy? Calm yourself.
Mr. Ejder, I guess there seems to be a misunderstanding. Can we just sit down and talk this through?
You will stay out of this.
Burak, I apologize for this. I don't know what to tell you.
You will stay away from her now. You will stay away from my wife. Come on.
Ejder! Ejder, what do you think you're doing? You disgraced me in front of him!
You get in the car.
What is this, Ejder?
So you're teaching children, huh?
Yes, I am.
You were sitting next to him, almost playing the piano hand in hand.
Mr. Burak, he's my boss and the owner of the school. Why do I even bother, huh? This is my job, Ejder, playing the piano, and I'm working there.
You're my wife, Nağme. You can't play the piano with a man hand in hand next to him.
But I am a pianist. You can't deprive me of all the things that I love. You chose a woman like me to be your wife, a woman who is in love with music, okay? It's how I am, and you cannot try to change me.
Yes, and you can't try to change me either. I am a man who is overprotective of his wife.
And you know what? That is not the problem. The problem is that you don't want me to work, right?
It's not that you're working. It's him.
This is a bunch of nonsense. Just pull the car over. I said stop the car.
Nağme, what is this?
I said stop.
Nağme. Nağme.
Stop it.
Nağme, don't you get out. Nağme.